demo shows you how to cast on in several different colours using the thumb method. I'm going to begin by casting on 10 stitches using colour 1. Cast on 9 stitches and on stitch number 10 I'm going to introduce colour 2. So I do that by wrapping the existing colour around my thumb, getting my needle into position, and then I lay the new yarn over the needle in the way of the colour 1 which I'm going to cast on with. So as I cast on, it just grabs that new yarn, and with a little bit of a secure pull there on the yarn, the new yarn is now held in place. I can then bring the tail of the new yarn to the front, elongate it until I've got the required amount of yarn to cast on the next lot of stitches. So with the ball to my right, tail now at the front, and colour 1 now, the tail and the end of the yarn at the back of the work. I can now continue to cast on using colour 2. I've cast on 9 stitches with colour 2, and on stitch number 10 I'm going to join in a third colour by laying the tail of the new yarn over the needle in the way of the yarn I'm casting on with, so that as I cast on that final stitch, it just grabs the new yarn and holds it in place. My old yarns I don't need anymore go to the back of the work. I bring the new tail that I'm casting on with forward, and then I continue casting on with colour number 3. And that's how you achieve a multicolour cast on using the thumb method. This demonstration shows you how to cast on using several colours using a 2-needle method, otherwise known as cable cast on. I'm going to begin by making a slip knot for my first stitch. I'm going to pop that onto the left hand needle. To create the second stitch, I will knit into this first stitch, pop the stitch onto the left hand needle. Then when I've got 2 stitches, I can then put my needle between the first and second stitch to create the new one. And I'm going to cast on 10 stitches in colour 1, Okay, so I've got 9 stitches. On the 10th stitch, I'm going to get my needle into position, which is between the 1st and 2nd stitch on the left hand needle. Then I'm going to lay the new yarn over the needle in the way of the yarn I'm casting on with. So as I go to cast on, it just grabs that new yarn and holds it in place. Then I will continue to cast on 10 stitches using colour 2. Okay, and then on stitch number 10, I'm going to get my needle in between the 1st and 2nd stitch, ready to cast on that 10th stitch, but as I do that, I'm going to lay the new yarn over the needle in the way of the working yarn here, and as I go to cast on that final 10th stitch, the new yarn is secured in place. Now I can now cast on 10 stitches using colour 3. And that's how you cast on in several colours. Let's get those tails out the way there so you can see the edge. That's how you cast on using several colours and a 2 needle method.